I'm Richard from Beast Consultants. Today we're going to talk about OneNote. Now OneNote's from Microsoft. It's a free app that you can get. It can be loaded onto any device that has Windows on it. You can put OneNote onto. Not only that, you can actually have OneNote shareable between all your devices so that you've always got your notes with you. Well, pretty much you're not going to be a OneNote expert in 30 minutes or an hour, but within an hour you can be actually a fairly good user of OneNote. So what we're going to do is have a look at OneNote. I'll show you a couple of tricks that it can do. We're going to title this series Using OneNote Every Day. So when we open OneNote, we're taken to a place to start. And this is it. So we have a new notebook. We can give our notebook any name that we would like, something relevant to what we need. And we can just make it a personal one, a business one, whatever you need. And just by clicking on create a notebook. And then also with the new notebook we have several places we can save it. So we can save it just on our PC if we don't want to share a notebook or you have no intention of doing that. We can add a place, so you can add a different storage area if you're using something else. And we can then browse through our files too to save it as just a file. So we're going to save it as in OneDrive, which is up in the cloud, which means we can access it then from any device. So if you want to share it, this is the way to do it. Press create a notebook and it will automatically create for you a new notebook. This opportunity here, we can invite somebody. We're going to say not now because we're new users, and we have a notebook that's open for us. So I've got several notebooks that are already available here, and we've got Richard's notebook down the bottom. On the right hand side, right across the other side, we get to add a page. This is where we have one page already open and we can write whatever we need to write. Now you'll notice as I've typed that heading over here on the right hand side, that's become the heading of the page. So that's the first thing you will note. If you're using a computer that has a pen with it, then you can use a pen just to start writing. And really that's what OneNote's all about. Pick up a pen, we can start writing a note. Write whatever you want, draw a picture. So join me as we go through what OneNote can do for you. My name's Richard Hill, I work for Beast Consultants. You can contact Richard at beastconsultants.com.au. Thanks very much for your time today.